Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The most American kind of food there is.
It's the stand that won over Bruce Craig's heart and his stomach. It's where he tried his first ever hot dog, and he still remembers it like this treasured childhood memory.
They have a counter, and I could barely see up. And I could smell the place now. The griddling hot dogs smell great.
According to Lloyd,
Gosh.
What the hell is wrong with you? You're supposed to yield!
Wow, what the f?
Can you put your hazard lights on and pull over to the officer
Yeah.
if they're coming up behind you?
Yeah, I'm right at Preserve Road. The patrol just passed me.
Okay.
I do, like I said, I do have Dashcam. It's on a micro SD.
Trash that fell out of the truck every time.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm talking to you. Oh my God!
In every meeting. And he was true to his word when he explained that Jurian would arrive with 2 other commanders from Highburn, and I would be present for it. They indeed wished to survey the wall.
Same video.
如果他是半夜偷溜出去的，为什么到了下午丈夫才发现这件事情？这肯定是说不通的，对吧？还有一个我觉得说不通的地方就是假设，
她丈夫给碰到。
哎，对，这种概率实在是太小了呀。
那这个推测到底准不准呢？警方还有一个更直接的办法去核实，那就是找到。Why are we doing this?
They crashed into us.
Yep. Are you okay?
Oh my god. They tried to cut in between
Oh,
us.
jeez.
Whoa.
What?
That SUV was pulled over early to make a left turn.
What you doing? What?
On now, a mix of songs that just scream karaoke Mario up front.
What are you doing?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.